You just take a picture of my beard.
Okay, I'm taking a video of the cat.
Later.
I don't care about your beard.
It's important.
No, it's not. Are you loving your baby? Oh, the thing's gonna be covered in drool.
So, oh no, you fucker.
It's a messy divorce. Contact Nightlights today and sign up for classes such as Rotisserie 101, Advanced ATM, and Coming Out Swinging.
Can we see the baby? Can we so we can see the baby?
How can I be of service?
Here we go. Now we can see the baby. It's a baby kitty. Oh, I got too close to your baby. I'm sorry.
As she performs the exorcist to lick the back of her head.
I went to go pick the camera up to get a better view, and she went to go bite me.
Sorry, bite mama.
I'm taking the baby. Oh God, the baby, no. Taking the baby. I'm taking your baby. Oh man, the baby's eating me.
Oh, well, where are you going?
Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the baby's ears.
I'm heading to the place to finish dumping my car.
You don't even look like you're sad that you're eating your own baby's ears.